Got another safety video here on how to use one of the chop saws in the door shop. All three chop saws are pretty similar. First things first, safety glasses, hearing protection, and gloves. Next thing, make sure that the shop vac is turned on to suck up any excess debris that the chop saw makes when you make your cut. Simple switch below the saw. Next thing, making sure that we have the board tight against the fence. Hold it with our left hand. Come down with the chop saw with your right hand. Never cross hands like this. Big no-no. So, we'll demonstrate now. That's how to use chops on the door shop.